Hey guys, welcome in today. Today I have our end of the year video. I always try to make an end of the year video for you guys, kind of sending you off for the summer. This year in specific, I wanted to make one just basically thanking you guys for welcoming me into your school, into your classrooms. It's been a really awesome ride throughout this whole year, and it's hard to believe that it's already, coming and wrapping up into an end. But I just want to take the time and kind of reflect a little bit on all the stuff that we've learned this year, all the projects we've done, and all the kind of new stuff that I've thrown at you. And hopefully that news has been new stuff to you guys that you haven't quite seen before, some projects that you haven't quite done, or things in my class that you haven't quite thought about that would be in an art. I've tried to open up your eyes or do things a little bit different than normal teachers or normal art teachers in there. I try to be different. That's always one of my goals and for the most part, you guys have been really awesome on that and accepting me and all my stuff in my class for the whole year. So that's been really awesome for me. Thank you guys again for welcoming me into your community, your school. It's been really fun year for me just getting started. But I have to think of it as this is my first year. So please think of it also as just my first year, that this is really just the beginning. And really, as a teacher, I'm just a kindergartner. I'm just basically starting off, and then next year and the year after that, I'm hoping to grow, as hopefully you guys are hoping to grow. And even within the year, I can see so much growth, from the first couple months, from the first few classes, kind of getting adjusted to someone new and new surroundings and new settings. They're a little bit challenging or a little bit different at first, but hopefully you've understood that my really main goal is just to get you into art class, into enjoying the environment, and show you a bunch of different things and get you that experience of an art class and being creative and getting into a collection like our portfolios and just having a fun environment. I only see you guys once a week. I wish it was more, but really just having that one time where it's a break from all your other classes and to kind of just have those connections with you guys as I'm walking around, as you guys are working, is really the most fun and enjoyable part of my day. Just getting to see and talk to you guys and see the stuff that you guys are creating, and really to understand how smart and intelligent you guys really are, and if you apply yourself, you can do amazing, really cool things. So thank you guys. I continue that on to the summer. If you guys ever miss me, of course you guys know you can always go to my YouTube channel or just type me in on Google, Mr. Schuette. You can type that in on YouTube or Google, and that's the easiest way. I'll probably be actually putting out more videos throughout the summer since I get a little bit more time, and even in my summer school class, my kids put a lot of videos in there, so definitely look forward to that. If you're not one of those subscribers that I already have, my goal was 350 and I'm getting really close onto that. So if you're not one of those subscribers, just hit that red button down below. That's the easiest way to get all my videos and all of my fun that happens on Mr. Schuette's art class on my channel. So maybe try something different. Also hit a little comment below on maybe your favorite thing that we did this year in art class, or your favorite kind of memory from this year in Mr. Schuette's art class. So that would be cool, just something different. It doesn't have to be a project, it doesn't have to be something that we did per se. It could be a video, or it could be something just that we talked about in the hall or on a break time. So thank you guys. As always, I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's art class, and we will talk to you guys again later.